Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Easy. Now I'm here to give an amazing trick using Python. How to send message using Python to your favorite person. Let's check. Go to Google, type Twilio, open on the first link. If you are new to this, do all the basic requirements. I already signed up here, so I'm going to log in. This is the Twilio dashboard. Go to Programmable SMS. Then there is a dashboard for the Programmable SMS is Learn Build SMS WhatsApp. We are going to send message through this WhatsApp beta tab. Click on the WhatsApp beta tab. Here it is a setup for testing sandbox. This is the Twilio WhatsApp number. Save this number to your phone and send the message join teeth trick from your phone. Let's see the demo. After sending, they will send you a confirmation code in your WhatsApp number. Next step is send one-way message to the WhatsApp. Do click on Appointment Reminders tab. You see the parameters and request panel together. Now, here it is my number. This is Twilio number. This is the body of the message content. I just give a custom message. Hi, how are you? Make a request to the message. You can deliver your message on your WhatsApp. Okay, let's see how to use this code on the Python. On the request panel, here they are using a curl programming language. Now we are going to use a Python language. So click on the Python button. Click on the show your authentication token and copy your code. Open a Python IDE. Paste your code and save and run. There is an indication that message has sent to your phone. You can see your message on your phone. Hi, how are you? Once again. If I want to edit my body of the message and send some other message like, it's just amazing. Save the Python code and run it. You can deliver a confirmation that message has sent. Then you see the WhatsApp, you can deliver a message. So change your number and change your body content every time by using a Python to send a message. Yeah, this is really awesome, no? This is a small trick using a Python. Guys, try this in your mobile phone and comment below. Thank you.